Hello everyone, my name is Shivanshu Gupta and today I am going to explain a program of Python. Okay, so in my Python lecture series is my next program. Okay, before this program I want to discuss we was already discussed lots of programs how to create a program to adding two numbers and calculating average of a number. Okay, so actually these programs are based on simple instruction, and there are three types of instruction. One is simple instruction, number two is conditional and control statements or instructions. Okay, and third one is iterative instruction called loop. Okay, actually what these instructions are, what is the meaning of these instructions actually when we are using a simply program if there are two print statement. Okay, so you already know control automatically run these two print statement. Okay, but if you are taking an example there are two print statement, but only one print statement will be run. Okay, according to the condition. So this type of instruction, okay, so this condition hold by the control or conditional statement. Okay, and if you want a print statement display more than one time, so that moment you can use looping concept, iterative statement. Okay, so normal statements instruction I've already discussed. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss a conditional statement, and in Python there's a if else concept which represented the conditional statement. Okay, so how this if else will work and how can we create a even out program of using with the help of this if else statement, we will see. Okay, without wasting time we are going to start. Okay, okay, so I am already open this page because this is a Python application. I have already discussed how to open this page. Okay, so I have already created this program. Like if n equal to int input enter first number, so this is a statement. With the help of this statement you can enter a integer number in a variable a, sorry, in a variable n. This is line number 1. Okay, and the second one is what? Second one is line number 2 is m is equal to int input enter second number. Okay, sorry, actually this is a program of okay, so in the line number 2 I can created this using hash symbol. If you are using hash symbol, I already told you what's the working of hash symbol. If I am applying this hash symbol here, so this second line becomes a comment. Okay, okay, so there is a first line n equal to int input enter first number. Okay, it's a this statement will display a number. Okay, and the line number third, what instruction is saying, if n mod 2, and what is the working of mod operator? Mod provides you a remainder. Okay, if n mod 2 equal to 0, that means if I am taking remainder of a number with the with 2, so it will gives 0. Okay, in case of even number. Okay, like because we can say divisibility of 2, which number holds, it's called even number. Okay, so if number mod 2 equal to 0, then uh, in line number 4 I am using the print statement, number is even else number is odd. Okay, 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 remember one thing. Actually in Python there is a indentation concept. What is the meaning of indentation? Indentation means it's a how can you are formatted your code, and what's the meaning of statements. So space before the margin. Okay, आपका जो भी statement है उससे before the margin whatever space you have, it's called indentation. Like here in line number 4 there is a space before the print statement and a margin, so this space is called indentation, and you have to give this indentation space when you are writing this syntax. Okay, it will indicate that the print statement number is even is inside a if statement. Okay, and in a else part the print number is odd statement is inside a else statement. Okay, so when I am running this code with the help of this yellow button, okay, then you will see, okay, enter first number or enter number, whatever you message you want to give in. Okay, so and I am entering number 4, then plus enter key, and you get the result is what? Number is even. Okay, and if you want to again run this code, okay, so click on yellow button. Okay, enter number, I am giving this time 9. Okay, and you get result is what? Number is odd. So this is a control statement of Python. Okay, and with the help of this statement you can also create a program of what? Adding checking which number is greater or smaller. Okay, so we are discuss this program in a next video. Okay, thank you so much, take care.